Right, Eva, we're going to learn about kennings today because there's loads of kennings used in Beowulf. And question 1, in the gold and the silver booklet, is about a kenning. So a kenning is a riddle, a type of riddle that describes something but in 2 words, and it's got a little hyphen in the middle. What's a hyphen, Eva?
That little line.
A little dash. So, for example, quiz. What might be classed as a worm eater?
A bird.
Correct. Seawood.
Boat.
Correct. Skylight.
Sun.
Or
Moon.
perfect. Those are kennings. So question 1 asks you what the kenning whale road might mean. So, so you've got a whale plus a road. What road does a whale swim along?
Obvious. Sea!
The sea!
The sea.
Right then, question 2 asks about the prince being prudent and what that means. Now prudent, if you look it up in the dictionary, it's an adjective meaning that he cares about and he thinks about the future and what he can do, what he can put in place to make sure that his future on the throne is successful. And the quote is, he must be prudent like that, giving freely while his father lives. So he's saying there that as a prince he needs to accept his father's reign. He needs to accept his father's rulings and everything that he's put into place. The warrior culture from the Anglo-Saxon time accepted and embraced a give and take type culture, which meant that between the ruler and those who were ruled, this allowed society to function successfully. So he's essentially setting a good example to everybody who's around watching him as a prince, because he's doing everything his father asks, so that when it's his turn to become king, when his father dies, everybody will pay him the same respect. So the last question for page 1 is question 3, which asks you to decide whether or not you agree with this assertion. Behaviour that's admired is the path to power among people everywhere. So do you believe that if you are admired as a ruler, that you will be powerful because people respect you and people will follow what advice you put into place? Do you agree with that? If so, explain why. And if you disagree, again, make sure you explain why. Page 1 complete. Well done.